Hello YouTube, Rema and DrHasko here.
And today we're gonna show you how to build simple combination lock in Minecraft. Here's example of it, and now Rema will show you how it works.
Here's numbers. My code is 1347 and
You see, when I push button and code is 1347, then it open door. But when code is different, you I don't know, I will pick a random. Then doors can be open.
okay, now we will show you how to make this. First, make one wall. I will use only 5 levers.
I will place signs.
Choose your wait a second. Choose your code. Example
Numbers.
135 and put redstone torch like this behind the levers that switch on, and place redstone here, here and here, and redstone blocks here. Then put a button here and torch behind it. Now one hole down and connect that with doors.
I will build a doors base. Or you.
Thanks. Shit. Okay, let's try. Oh, something doesn't work. Let's try again. Huh, I know. 1, 3, 5. It works. And different code, example 215
Doesn't work. Yeah. This trick, or I don't know how to explain this, can be used for, I don't know, secret rooms or something. I don't know. Maybe you can hide your diamond chest or something like that inside of it, And I don't know. I don't know.
I will show you now my redstone house. Here's a door with ring before it, and some towers, down floor.
And yeah, don't forget that this is our first video, and I have a bad microphone, and I don't know.
Here's the
Just
decoration.
subscribe and like, and I don't know.
One
We need that.
mini room, enchanting tables. This is level 30 and this is 14. Secret room here, and I really like this watch. Take one stick and put in this furnace. Oh, no meat here. And secret door open.
And yeah, in our second video, we're gonna show you how to build this. For
And-
now,
And
okay.
here is here is a bot switch. And that's that. Here's some nice pigs. We'll cook it later. And
That's pretty much it.
yes, goodbye.